Dito na tayo sa NAIA Terminal 1. Time check 6:27 PM. Flight namin is 11 pa ng gabi. So maghihintay pa kami ng check-in. I-check-in pa namin itong mga bagahe. Dalawa lang kami ni Calvin ngayon. We're going to Canada na. Are you excited?
You at that Tia City Mila for Robo?
Yes.
Para ay na keyboard? Para ay na student?
Kita-kita na lang pag nasa airplane na. Yeah. So 7:30 pa daw pwede mag-check-in ng mga bagahe. So may isang oras pa kami para maghintay. Are you tired? Are you hungry? Kain muna kami Jollibee. Let's eat Jollibee. Eat mo na yung Jollibee. Sit lang, sit. Sit lang. Go. Hamburger. Nakakong biyahe, naantok na ako. Hindi ko nakakasakay, naantok na. Ayun na, open na ang gate sa Incheon.
Daddy,
Let's go na.
this is doing what I use is the food. This
Yeah.
one.
Dalawang card ang ipo-push ko. Wait lang. Can you push that? Sabi? Not too fast, not too fast. Gimme. Ayan yung pila ngayon sa Korean Air. Terminal 42, 47 daw. Para sa Korean Air flight puntang Incheon Airport.
Ready to me.
Yeah.
Dito me. Sabi me. Dito me.
Yun, so time check 9:30. Lapit na kami ngayon sa terminal. After nito mag-i-immigration pa kami papuntang Canada. So yun, kita-kits na lang ulit mamaya. Saka siguro, ayun, haba ng pila sa immigration, oh. Yeah, it's a long line, Calvin. You're still gonna fall in line there in the immigration. Buti pa uli kami mga 1 hour dito. Yun, kakatapos lang na sa immigration. Sa wakas, Calvin. We're going na to...
Are we going to eat?
Ha?
Are we going to eat?
No, we'll wait for the ano. Oh, look, oh. Ay. Let's exchange currency muna. Calvin, wait. So, time check. 10 o'clock. May 1 hour pa kami para maglibot-libot dito sa lounge. Kung may mabibilang kami. Let's choose. Noodles na lang, oh. Noodles na lang muna.
Okay.
Chicken noodles. No, not that one. This one.
120 kali yung marka.
Can we see that noodles?
Also Chucky. I will also eat.
Sabihin.
Ano kaya ako?
Check.
It's okay.
Hmm?
You want that one? Or you want chicken? You want the beef or chicken?
Beef. Wait. It's cow. Cow.
Okay.
I just want cow.
Yeah, buy one. Sorry.
Oh, it's blue. Choose blue. Choose blue food. Oh, because you are blue. Now mine is brown.
Dalawang tubig. Isang mug.
Daddy Shati is the yellow rose. This one.
Ito muna food namin ngayon sa pansamantala. Kaya muna kami habang naghihintay ng boarding. 11 o'clock pa naman. May 40 minutes pa.
It's too hot.
To all departing passengers, Jeju Air Flight 7C2306 bound for Incheon. After completing all your covered travel requirements, please proceed to gate 2 to await your flight boarding announcement.
Fast. Gucci. Here we go, boarding time na. There's our plane, Calvin, no? Blue. There's our plane. You see it?
It's for loco.
Yeah. Yes. You excited?
Oh, that is you see the porobo.
Yeah.
They're so happy with the porobo.
Yes.
What? It's a porobo. It's new.
Yeah, it's new. Ito na. So, sakto 11 p.m. So, gate 6, Korean Air. Ito na yung airplane. Yan yung sasakyan namin. So, mga 4 hours yung flight niya. Hanggang Incheon. Incheon Airport, South Korea. And then may 13 hours kaming layover doon. Tapos sasakay uli kami para punta ng Vancouver. Come, Kevin, careful. Hold your bag. Thank you. Let's go. Come. We are 48G, 48H. Thank you.
The other side, please.
Thank you.
Open the door. No camera.
Oh,
in the
sorry.
cabin.
Yeah.
No camera. Delete it.
Mga abubot sila dito. This one, if you want to eat, you will bring this down.
How?
Later. That's the herb. Okay. Later, don't tell. The Kuya will, the pilot will get mad. Meron ng papororo activity ang Korean Air. Nice. Is it nice? You like it? You want bread? Huh? Yeah, this is yours. This is rice and this is rice. You want this rice? So kakarating lang namin dito sa Incheon Airport. Time check 3:17 a.m. So may 13 hours pa kaming layover dito. We're in Korea, Calvin. So tingnan muna namin kung anong mga gagawin muna. Wow. Come, let's check inside. Tayo, little bus. So, since maaga pa, try muna namin maghanap ng sleeping lounge para makatulog-tulog muna kami. Baby shark. Later we will see baby shark later. You want to sleep muna? Let's go to sleep first. It's still night eh.
Yes.
We'll wake up late.
Where are we going to sleep?
We will find. We'll find.
Dito wifi? Dito dito kasi walang pinin yung password. Automatic po.
Ang laki ng nila dito ng airport. So, yan o. Makakalibot-libot ka. Ganda ng building nila dito, no? Modern. Nap zone. Come. There's a nap zone. Dito may nap zone. siguro matutulog muna kami ng 3 to 4 hours para makapagpahinga. And then, ayun, try na maglibot dito kung anong pwedeng magawa sa natitirang oras. Here. Sana may space pa. So yun na, good morning. Kagising ko lang si Calvin, tulog pa. So, alas 8 na ng umaga. Bali may ilang hours pa kami bago yung flight namin papuntang Vancouver. So, nasa 6 o'clock yun ng gabi. And tambay pa kami dito. So dito yung lounge area nila, no. May mga gym,
such as foot
digital
and
gym.
mouth disease, avian influenza, and African swine fever, and foreign insect pests into Korea. Travelers are advised to fully comply with the following instructions. First,
Shower.
when you return to Korea, please do not carry any meat and livestock products such
Shower
as
sarado.
wood. The spread of infectious diseases.
So yun, time check, 10:30 a.m. Maglilibot muna kami ni Calvin dito sa Terminal 2.
Wash your hands frequently.
And look, oh, you can try it. You want to try that? Costume?
Please present the QR code by using the Q code or fill out a health declaration
Try muna namin kung anong
and submit it for priority.
pwedeng kainan. Kasi di pa kami nagbe-breakfast. Tara. Where do you want to eat, Calvin? Ha? Yung mga ano dito, mga puno. Oh. Kahit na artificial lang. Pero ang ganda. Korean Traditional Culture Experience Center. Wow. There's a fish. So nice. Wow. I'll picture you here, Calvin.
Is that old horrible?
Yes, let's go now, let's go. Let's find something to eat.
예전 수와 관련해 승객 여러분께 안내가 있습니다.
I'll picture you?
Daddy, I will picture you.
Okay, I'll picture you. Ayun, nakita ko na yung food court. Calvin, I see the food court. Let's go. Papalit muna tayo ng 15 US dollar sa Korean won. Ayan. So, napapalit na natin 19,000 Korean won. Let's eat.
그래, 어떻게 너 생각이 이제 막상 비밀되는 거 아니야? 알았어.
마스크를 올바르게 착용해 주시고 방역 수칙을 여행을 위해 장을 원하는
You put your bag here.
화장실, 연세
Oh, this robot, you put your bag here
선택하세요.
and it will follow you.
동약자의 짐을 운반하는 에어
So nice. Oh.
Let's show our back here. Let's show our back there.
동약자의 편안한 여행을 위해
Let's not. No. Come. We don't know how it works. Say bye-bye to robot. Ang galing ah. What happened? So hanap na lang kami kung check namin yung food court sa taas kung may mga kainan. Let's go. Oh no. Looks like the food court is closed.
Huh?
The food court is closed. Where shall we eat, Calvin? Ala, we don't have any food.
I told you to bring food.
So, masakit na yung paa ni Calvin kakalakad. Try ko maghanap ng pushcart. Para doon na lang namin ilalagay yung mga bagahe. Saka para mas madaling dalhin. Ito. Dito may pushcart. Walang masarap na kainan dito. Paano kaya yan? Mamahal pa. Ay nako, sumakay na lang ng cart ang bata. Ano, sitting pretty ka dyan, Calvin ah. Ha? 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 Wala? Ha? Bye. Where? Let's find the 7-Eleven. I think they're upstairs. Ayun. But it's closed. So maka 7-Eleven. Dito mas mura. Come here. Come.
Let's find something to eat. How?
Tapos lang namin mag-lunch. Relax muna kami dito ni Calvin habang naghihintay ng oras. Ito yung runway, oh.
Daddy? Dad,
So time check 12:30. So meron pa kaming 6 hours para magsayang ng oras dito. May punta kami na Pororo playground. Tapos check namin kung anong pwede pang malibot dito. Napunta kami ngayon sa kids playground sa may Pororo. Lalaro daw si Calvin. We will play there. There are many kids there. Let's go. Basta. Ay nako. Playhouse na naman.
May I have your attention? To prevent COVID-19, please make sure to wear a mask at all times. Also, please maintain a distance of at least 1
Okay, time check for 20. Meron na kaming 1 hour 20 minutes bago sumakay sa next na namin. Flight papuntang Vancouver.
Third floor.
Let's go here.
문이 열립니다.
So ito nabili namin sa 7-Eleven. Haribo grapefruit. Jammy soft cookies. Let's see what you got, Calvin. Saka itong chocolate. So nasa 4,500 won siya. So may mga 1 hour na lang kami para bago yung departure sa pa Vancouver.
P-E-M.
We're gonna eat that. Oh, we need to refill the water. We need to find some water. Let's go.
Look. You see my hand?
Yeah. So may 20 minutes na lang kami para departure. So papunta na kami sa gate namin. Gate 231 daw. So tara, let's go. Dito na kami sa aming gate. Destination Vancouver. Nine hours. Here in Canada. So yun nga, after ng mahabang flight, 9 hours, doon na kami sa Vancouver. Here. We're here in Vancouver, Calvin. Sobrang tagal at napakahabang biyahe. Ang sabi mo? Dito may jellyfish dito. Wow! That's poisonous. Scary, no?
No.
You want to touch it? Hanapin lang namin yung immigration. Tapos, tapos na. Tingnan mo. Mukhang hindi pa papasukin ng immigration to. Nilagyan na namin yung mga bagahe. 4. Ang challenge. Ako lang mag-isa magtutulak. Nakakayanin. Yan, kakatapos lang namin sa immigration. Time to exit. Let's go.
Hooray! What's coming? Hey, Tita Kara. So, dito the bus.
Hi, babe. Pagod.
Kaya mo ba, Daddy?
Hirap mag-push.
Putahan mo si Daddy, putahan mo si Daddy.
So yun, nakita-kita na kami dito sa Vancouver. Bale, kakain muna kami. Kasi gutom na kami sa biyahe. Ito ba yung exit?
What?
Exit ba to, kainan?
Doon yung exit, ito yung kainan.
Layo. Ba't hindi sa labas? Mahal dito eh.
Wala sa labas, malayo eh.
Na kami sa taxi, pauwi na.
Yeah, sit down.
It go first.
Camera?
Yeah, this is the camera. I'm vlogging.
Nice.
Yeah, it's so small, eh?
No, it's beautiful.
Yeah. It's a nice camera. It's from Sony.
Let me do my mustache, okay?
Yeah. Gotta put you in the vlog. Si Heidi wala pa doon.
Welcome to the Canada. Where are you guys
Yeah, from the Philippines.
from? Oh, welcome to the Canada.
How long have you been here?
Oh, not too long.
Not so long.
How about you?
Just arrived today.
Oh, right today? Oh. You'll be gonna one day 50 years old.
You know. So, nandito na kami sa bagong tira. Thank you, thank you.
No problem.
That's the taxi. Ito na kami sa bagong tirahan. Mga makalumang bahay.